Students, let's start today's Sanskrit class. So again open your page number 70 and chapter number 13, that means Trodasa Pataha. We have finished this part. Reading last day we have finished. So today we are going to start the exercises. Am I right? So start from question number 1 only. Okay. So see, answer the following in one word. It is written one word, but in exam I will give in full sentence. Okay, so please cut it. Okay, up to this much only keep it. So answer the following. Okay, I need that you will write in full sentence here. So start little fast. Before the line you have to start. Then only you can finish up to this much. একদম আগে থেকে সরিয়ে নিয়ে এসে শুরু করো, তবেই কিন্তু তোমাদের এই লাইনের মধ্যে শেষ হবে, নয়তো কিন্তু হবে না। সুতরাং স্টার্ট ফ্রম বিফোর অনলি, বিফোর দ্য লাইন অনলি। রোবিং পরিতঃ কে ভ্রমন্তি? রোবিং পরিতঃ সর্বে গ্রহাः ভ্রমন্তি। Yes, सर्वे ग्रह only. All planets are roaming, na? सौरपरिवारस्य कति मुख्याः सदस्याः सन्ति? कति? How many? 6. So सौरपरिवारस्य 6 मुख्याः सदस्याः सन्ति। 6 main member are there. Main member কটা ছিল? 6টা ছিল। So 6 मुख्याः सदस्याः सन्ति। वर्षं का रचयति? वर्षं पृथिवी रचयति। ओके। दूरतमः कतमः ग्रह अस्ति? Which one is the far? दूरतमः शनिः ग्रहः अस्ति। शनि ग्रह is the far. रवि शक्तिः कीदृशी अस्ति? How the strong of sun's power? How the sun's power? It is आकर्षण शक्ति, gravity power. So रवि शक्तिः आकर्षण शक्तिः अस्ति. Okay, now see question number 2. No need. Please write as same as like me. Write here no need and cross it. Here we will do so. Give tick and write here CW. So 2 no need. So go to next page. That means page number 72. I am going. See, question number 3 also write here no need and give cross. No need. Okay. Why these things I give no need? Because these are iki matra wale shabd, and you not learn iki matra wale shabd. It is little tough. That's why I am not going to do those things. You know only okar matra wale shabd like oho, oh, aha. And for masculine gender you learn only oho like suryah, balakah, narah. Am I right? But ravi iki matra wale shabd. That's why I am not doing these things. Few things I am not doing. Now see question number 4. Write in prose order. That means from poem order to you have to write in prose order. মানে পদ্যমূলক লাইন থেকে তোমাদের কিসে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে? গদ্যমূলক. So from poem order to prose order. Prose order means how we are writing naturally. Those sentence called prose order. But in poem, we are not writing in prose order because পদ্যে আমরা কখনো prose order লিখি না, গদ্যের মতো লিখি না. How then we are writing? We are writing like both lines should be matched. Then it will be listen nicely, na? That's why we are writing in poem order, in poem. So both are little different. See, you have to learn these things. प्रातः उदेति सूर्यः. प्रातः उदेति सूर्यः. Kriya came in middle. But in prose order, see, सूर्यः प्रातः उदेति. Udeti, this is bhar, which should be go to last. Okay. Next, सूर्यः वितरति प्रकाशम. वितरति kriya again came in middle. सूर्यः प्रकाशम वितरति. Subject, object, verb. Like this way it will come. प्रातः कुजन्ति, again verb came. pratah kujanti gagane khagaha, subject gone at last. It is not proper process, but in prose order we have to write that proper sentence. Khagaha subject, pratah gagane kujanti verb. Okay, pratah means in the morning. Okay, gagane means in the sky. Janaha bhramanti udyane. Janaha udyane bhavanti. Bhramanti means roaming and udyane means in the garden. Suryaha astameti sayam. Suryaha sayam astameti. Sun, Surya means sun, sayam means you can say evening, and astameti means অস্ত চলে যাওয়া, মানে সূর্য ডুবে যাওয়া। ওকে, অস্তম এতি, অস্তমেতি। ওকে, অস্ত চলে যাওয়া। Now see question number 5. It is also no need. Okay. Next, this one very important. That's why I given star mark. This is sandhi. Okay. O a के बाद ई और ऊ और री आने पर दोनों के क्रमशः ए ओ और ओ जाता और हो जाता है. That means o a के बाद, that means it before letter if we are getting o a. Okay, o a, this type of things if we are getting, and after this plus sign if we are getting e u re, if we are getting, then it should be changed in result. In result will come a o or a came, o came, see or came, Maharshi or came. Okay, so before o, after e u or re, then result should be a o and or. Okay, naro যুক্ত ই সহ নরে সহ, অযুক্ত ই এ, পর যুক্ত উপকারঃ পরোপকারঃ, অযোগ ও. It is showing the rules. So noro যুক্ত ই সহ নরে সহ, here it is showing the rules. O plus e noro, o at the end we are getting o. E saho starting we are getting e. So the last one and this first one, it is adding, then only it will be sandhi na. Then coming a, nare saha. Here also same, poro, o coming, upokaro, so u came, then it will be o, poropokaro, o came. Moha, a came, risihi, re came, first letter. So it's both if together sandhi, then it will come or. See, Maharshihi. Visarga is there, that's why it should be Visarga. Maharshihi. So as same as you have to complete this one. Moha যুক্ত ই সহ মহে সহ, সূর্যঃ যুক্ত উদয়ঃ সূর্যোদয়ঃ, সূর্যোদয়ঃ, কদা যুক্ত পি কদাপি, দেব যুক্ত ঋষিহি দেবর্ষিহি, দেব যুক্ত ইন্দ্রঃ দেবেন্দ্রঃ. Okay, now go to next page. See question number 5, no need, cross it. Now this one very important. You have to just memorize. Okay, because by this you can get any question, maybe some question. If you don't know the sequence or meaning, then you cannot complete the answer also. So feminine gender ekavachanam in kim shabdarup, strilinga. Okay, feminine gender. Prathama you know that, ka ke kaha. Ditya vibhakti also you know, kam ke kaha, ka ke kaha, kam ke kaha. But in tritiya vibhakti, this is new for you. Kwaya kavyam kabhihi. What? Kwaya kavyam kabhihi. Chaturthi, kasai kavyam kavyoho. Prathama means subject, ditya means object, tritiya means with or by, chaturthi means for. Okay. का के कहा, काम के कहा, क्वया काव्यम काव्यहि, कश्चय काव्यम काव्यः. Like this you have to memorize. This much only your CW, and these things no need. So please cross. This much only your today's CW. Okay. So write it please, and write these things also. Okay. Hare Krishna.